walked right out of the only world he knew. He followed Mom and Dad up through morning dew. The grass had turned brown and the summer was dry, with the dust in his nose and the sun in his eye.
Because being wild isn't just running free,
it's being as steady as a
snow-gone tree.
When the water is cold and the climb is steep, it's the breath in your chest that carries you home. They came to a river beneath the tall trees. The water was freezing, it tickled his knees. The banjo breathed slow and helped Kai get through, and showed him what a big brother can do.
Hands on your tummy,
Feel it go out.
hands on your tummy,
Feel it go in.
take a slow, deep breath,
And feel the calm begin. Where the hawks fly so far and wide, Kai's little heart only wanted to run and hide. But Banjo bowed down to a flower in the stone, and Kai felt his heart find a rhythm of its own. Because
being wild isn't just running free,
it's being as steady as a snow-gone tree. When the water is cold and the climb is steep, it's the breath in your chest that carries you home.
9 long lessons
On a wild old land,
he didn't carry his brother.
he carried his calm,
Oh, oh, oh.
not just to be brave,
Not just to be strong,
but to be there for him.
steady, calm, and strong.
And the mountain rose up and the sun turned warm, and 2 brave brothers stepped into a world of gold. Because
Being wild isn't just running free,
it's being as steady as a snow-gone tree. It's the breath in your chest, it's the still in your soul, it's the love in your heart when you help someone whole.
hands on your tummy,
Feel it go out,
feel it go in.
you're home, little one. You're home.